Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover topic number 2.1.1 multiplication of fraction by whole number. Whole number, say W, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and fraction is of the form A divided by B, where A and B are natural numbers. So multiplication of whole number, that is W, into fraction, that is A divided by B, we have to multiply numerator and denominator as it is. If we take one example, that is whole number, say W, into fraction is 1 by 4, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 divided by 4. If we take one more example, that is 3 into 7 by 5, that is equals to 3 into 7 is 21 divided by 5. If we have to multiply the whole number by the mixed fraction, that is 2 whole 1 by 3, then first we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3, and then multiply 2 into 7 is 14 divided by 3. Now to represent the multiplication of fraction by whole number, we can write this 2 into 1 by 4 as 2 times of 1 part out of 4 parts. That is, if we represent this with the form of picture, that is circle, we divide into 4 parts, and 1 part out of 4 part, that is 1 part out of 4 part, and 2 times, so one more time, we will get 2 parts out of 4 parts. We can write 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equals to 2 by 4, that is summing 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, you will get 2 by 4. Now if we see the theory, it is multiplication of fraction by whole number. In this they have taken one example, that is they are taking 1 part out of 4 part 2 times, and they will get 2 into 1 by 4, that is equals to 2 parts out of 4 parts, that is equals to 2 by 4. That is equals to 2 by 4. If we see in this picture, we are taking 1 part out of 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts, 3 times 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So we will get 3 times 1 by 4 part, that is equals to 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 4, that is 3 part out of 4 parts. If we see in this, we are taking 2 parts out of 4 out of 9 parts, and we are repeating this 3 times, that is 2 parts out of 9 parts. We will get 3 times of 2 parts out of 9 parts, that is equals to 3 into 2 is 6 divided by 9, that is 6 parts out of total 9 parts. Now let us solve this. Try this. Question number 1. We have to find first 2 by 7 into 3, then 9 by 7 into 6, third 3 into 1 divided by 8, and fourth 13 by 11 into 6. So we will multiply the numerator, that is 3 into 2 is 6 divided by 7. This is 9 into 6, 54 divided by 7. Third 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 8. And fourth 13 into 6 is 78 divided by 11. And we are asked that if the product is improper fraction, then express it as mixed fraction. So improper fraction is the numerator is greater than denominator. So in first case we get the proper fraction. In this case we get the improper fraction. So to convert improper fraction into proper fraction, we have to divide numerator by denominator, and this 7 whole remainder is 5 and denominator as it is. In third case we get the proper fraction, and in fourth case we get the improper fraction. So we will divide numerator by denominator, and remainder is 1. So this is 7 whole 1 by 11. Now question 2 is represent pictorially 2 into 2 by 5 equals to 4 by 5. So this is 2 times of taking 2 part out of 5 parts. That is 2 times we have to repeat the process. We are taking a circle, dividing it into 5 parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Repeating this 2 times. We are taking 2 parts out of 5 parts, and we will get 2 plus 2, that is equals to 4 parts out of 5 parts. We are taking 2 parts out of 5 parts, and after summing up we will get 4 parts out of 5 parts. Now let's solve this. Try this. Question number 1, we have to find 5 into 2 whole 3 by 7, and second is we have to find 1 whole 4 by 9 into 6. So in this type of product, that is product of whole number by mixed fraction, we have to first convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is 7 into 2 is 14 plus 3 17 by 7, and then do the product, that is 5 into 17 85 divided by 7. In second case, we have to convert this into improper fraction, that is 9 into 1 is 9 plus 4 13 divided by 9 into 6, and now the product, that is product of numerator 13 into 6 is 78 divided by 9. In next lecture we will cover fraction as an operator of